Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. In case if you take a screenshot on Snapchat, the person will automatically be notified that you've actually taken the screenshot. In order to take screenshot of chat or snap without them knowing, what you have to do is simply watch the video till the end and follow the step as guided. Just a reminder, before we proceed on, make sure to remember all your login details in case if you don't know your login details, so make sure to review it and only then proceed with this following method. First of all, open up your Snapchat application. As you open up your Snapchat application, the interface gonna look like this. From here, tap on the chat icon which is in the bottom left corner. As you tap on the chat icon on the other page, you will land inside the chat page. Now, in order to take a screenshot, first of all, you'll have to open the chat page. So for that, you'll have to tap on the chat icon which is right in the corner. Over here, you can see that these are all the snaps that I've not opened it yet. In order to take the screenshot, what you have to do is simply turn on your flight mode on or your airplane mode on, or you can even turn off your Wi-Fi or your internet connection. Now, once you turn on your flight mode or once you turn off your Wi-Fi, what you have to do is simply tap on the snap and then take the screenshot. This notifies that the screenshot has been taken. Now, what you have to do is simply go back to your home page and then close your Snapchat application. And once you do that, on the home page, long press on your Snapchat application. Once you do that, right on top there's a pop-up. So from here, you'll have to tap on app info. On the other page, you will land inside app info. From here, tap on storage. Next, what you have to do is you'll have to clear cache and then clear all your data as well. Once you've cleared all your cache as well as your data, go back to your home page once again and then turn off your flight mode or turn on your Wi-Fi. As I've already mentioned before that you have to remember your login detail, what you have to do is you'll have to log in again. So then open up your Snapchat application. Next, you'll have to enter your login detail. So you can either use your email or your username. So then enter your information. Once you're done entering your information, tap on login. As you are logged in, once again tap on the chat icon which is right at the bottom. Now on the chat page, once again load the chat page of the person that have actually taken the screenshot. Right over here, you can see that this person has not been notified that I've actually taken the screenshot, and that is how you can take screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.